Hey guys, welcome to my backyard. It is time to do some yoga and show you what all I can do with my ankle replacement. So check it out. The gift of yoga has been a huge blessing that I didn't know if I was going to have the opportunity to experience yoga ever again after my ankle injury. I can't bend my ankle like I would like to, so there are still some limitations. That doesn't mean that we can't benefit from the practice of this great art form. As you can see, I can balance on my right foot, which is totally awesome. It is a huge blessing, and I am so proud to be able to show this to you. And I'm just super grateful.